Eli, you haven't been here all week, have you? Roger, would you come up here? And I see your mama sitting down there somewhere. Would you guys welcome to the stage McKamey Legacy. And did I see your daddy sitting down there? Ruben sitting down there? Oh, Ruben sends his love. He says he just wants to sit down and watch. Ruben, we love you so much. Eli, sing your grandma's song.
Life is easy when you're up on the mountain and you've got peace of mind like you've never known. But then things change. You're down in the valley. Don't lose faith, you're never alone. For the God on the mountain, He's still God in the valley. When things go wrong, He'll make them right. And the God of the good times, He's still God in the bad times. The God of the day is still God in the night. You talk of faith when you're up on the mountain. Oh, but the talk comes so easy when life's at its best. But it's down in the valley of trials and temptations. That's when faith is really put to the test. For the God on the mountain, He's still God in the valley. When things go wrong, He'll make them right. And the God of the good times, He's still God in the bad times. The God of the day is still God in the night. I want to do this again and do it with all of us singing. Does anybody in here remember my grandmother, baby McKamey? Yeah, she lit this place up a lot, and she had her moves with the shoes and the handkerchief and all like that. I miss her a whole lot, and as I said, she lit this place up. She lit everywhere up. She was a giant light, and the world's a pretty dark place right now, and I think we could all be a light. You know, the Bible says we're the salt and light, and I think we could be that. And so I want everybody to sing this as loud as you can. And let's be a little louder in the rain right now, too. For the God on the mountain, He's still God in the valley. When things go wrong, He'll make them right. And the God of the good times, He's still God in the valley. The God of the day is still God in the night. The God of the day, it's still God in the night.